What's up, you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today we got a 2003 Honda Civic. This is a 4-door. So, customer came to me, AC doesn't work. He wanted to change the thermostat, but I said thermostat's not gonna help you. He said the heat doesn't work. It's summer. It's about 60 some degrees today. But summer's gonna get hot over here. We're gonna go above 100 when we have a heat wave. But I did a little bit of digging. So we're gonna go inside the vehicle. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what we did, and I found the problem already, and he's happy. We fixed this problem here within 5 minutes while he was here. I like my customers. They take care of me. They pay me even if I did something this small. So if you got a Honda Civic and you need to check your AC, follow these steps. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our light from right here. We're gonna go step by step, and so we went inside the vehicle. We started the engine, put this on cold, from heat to cold, put the AC on, get the lights on here, it's green, but the AC did not work still for this baby. So what I did was I went under the hood. So you do want to check your fuses and relays. So first thing I did was I looked at the compressor. I had the customer put on the AC for me, put the button on and off, and I tried to look at the AC compressor, which did not engage. It's all of it on there. It's hard to see from up here, but it does not engage. Right there, you can see in the bottom. Okay, no, you can't. It's all in the bottom. Hard for the camera to focus, but right there, you can get a glimpse of it right down there. So, first thing I did was, this is a relay right here. If you pop your fuse box open, this is your fuse box. First thing I do is I go into the fuses and relays. I will see where the fuse is on this guy, because I didn't even get to go to the fuse box. Well, this is the fuse box as well. But we got a see this snowflake looking guy right here. Right here. That's this right here, okay? This is your relay for your AC compressor, okay? The one that has a snowflake down here, it has a little radiator photo. Let's see if the camera can focus. This one right here is for your fans, okay? So both your fans should be working. So check this out. While I was looking at this, what I was gonna do was take this wiring right here. I was gonna jump the, well, I did check pressure into the system, so make sure, another thing is, number one priority is make sure the system has pressure in it. I was gonna take this little guy. I was gonna jump the AC switch. Be careful with the running belt. You don't want to hurt yourself. But what I noticed here was his AC switch, pressure switch, all that on there. All that on there. This guy is not even in all the way. You can see it's hanging. It's hanging to the side. So somebody already tampered with this guy. Somebody already tampered with this guy. Probably I don't know if it was another mechanic or what. But watch it. As soon as I push this in, as soon as I push this baby in, everything starts to run. Both of the fans kicked on. AC is cold, but not crazy cold. I can feel this line is not too cold. So I will recommend them an AC service. This thing should be nice and cold, but it might take a time. It's getting cold. But I told him if it doesn't get super cold, we'll just do the service. I usually charge about $140 for AC service. I do vacuum and everything. So that's how simple this guy was to get the AC running for this guy. Also, what you can do is, you can take this wiring. What we're gonna do is, let's cut off the AC system here. Let's cut off the whole car pretty much. Let's turn off the AC. So it's nice and cold in here. All right, so what we're gonna do is, I'm gonna show you guys how to jump that switch. You can jump the AC switch on this Honda Civic, okay? Only temporary, just to check if your system is working. Sometimes it could be a faulty switch, okay? So what we're gonna do here is, we're gonna take this little guy right here. This is a 2003 Honda Civic. So these Civics only have, so this is where your AC switch is, right down here. See that? That's your AC switch all the way down there. It's just in a tight little spot. Okay, so on that accumulator, so what you want to do is you want to disconnect this guy, disconnect this little guy. Let's, if I could get help from one of my friends if he comes by. If not, you know what? I'm gonna just put the camera on a mount. Okay, so what we're gonna do now is you take this little guy, you create a small little wiring right here. I just spliced both ends. Okay, you take this little guy. So all you're doing is, this is just a switch. So with the pressure, if your system has pressure in it, if it doesn't have a pressure in it, you still can test it. Just engage it. If your clutch comes on, the AC compressor comes on, that means your system is working. Just you don't have pressure in it, or your pressure switch is bad. So that's how you will determine that, if your pressure switch is any good. But again, I'm gonna leave this guy right here. So what we're gonna do is, I am gonna go grab my camera here. Grab my camera here, and let's go inside the vehicle now. We're gonna do the same thing. AC is working. There you go, you can hear it. So the AC is working, the fans are running, okay. Magnetic clutch on the compressor, all the way down there, the compressor is running. It's hard to get a glimpse of that baby, but watch this. What I'm gonna do here is, I am gonna disconnect the harness here, and everything just cuts off. There's no more AC on this baby. So that's how simple this baby is. How to jump the sensor, pressure sensor. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. See you guys in the next one.